How to delete a second Instagram account. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. After that, simply log into your account. You'll find your profile on bottom right corner of your screen. Hold on to that and you'll find another account pop up. Simply log into that account, then go to your profile and click on three lines on top right. After you click on three lines on top right, scroll all the way down of your secondary password account. In here you'll find logout option. Click on logout and your second account will be logged out. And this is how to delete a second Instagram account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.